Hello, my name is Charan. My register number is UF15CS134. In my lab, I'm going to do this merge and quicksort as my data structure seventh experiment lab experiment program. For this to happen, I've created two separate source code for both merge and quicksort. In merge sort, basically what happens is the basic thing in merge sort is there is that will be in an incrementing order, that is if low is less than high then only the merge sort works, and in mid this one will be equal to low plus high by 2, and merge sort there will be three functions called a, low, mid. Mid sort consists of a, mid plus 1, high, and the merge one consists of a, low, high, and mid. And void merge one, int star a, int low, int high, int mid. These are all the integers used in the function merge one. In int I comma j comma k comma c of 10, that is array of size 10. I will be the low, k will be equal to low, j will be equal to mid plus 1. Now I've used a do while statement where while I is less than or equal to mid and j is equal to high, and the given condition is if a is greater than, if a of I is less than a of j, then c of k will be equal to a of I, and the increment of k value takes place when the value of c of k is equal to a of I, and as soon as the value of increment of I takes place, this condition will be satisfied. Else if c of k equal to a of j, k increment of k takes place, along with that the increment of j even takes place. If I is less than or equal to mid, then c of k equal to I, and the increment of k and I takes place, while j is less than or equal to high and c of k equal to a of j, increment of k and j takes place. For I equal to low and I less than k and increment of I, the value of a of I equal to c of I. Here the main function starts. As I said you before, I have declared the array size to be 10, and here I have taken the value of n to be 5, that is for I is equal to 0, I less than 5 and I increment. Now the input cin is cin is a of I, and in the merge sort the thing is the we can get the cout statement where we get the details of the sorted array. And finally we need to put one a of I, which is like um, producing the final output of the sorted array. And in the quick sort, as you can see here, I've given my array size to be 5, and p will be is the partial left and right plus 1, and quick sort will be left comma p minus 1, and quick sort will be p plus 1 comma right. In this what is, I've used a quick sort and I've given a function named as quicksort. In this, I've declared two int, say namely int left and int right. Now, in this, if I is equal to 1, j equal to r, and pivot equal to a of 1, comma temp, um, and here I've used a do while loop where increment of I takes place, and when a of I is less than pivot, then do takes place, and decrement of j also takes place. If I is less than j, then as you know the basic swapping rules, temp equal to a of I equal to a j, and a of j equal to temp. Swapping go on, swapping takes place, and if j is I is less than j, temp will be equal to a of l equal to a of j, and a of j will equal to temp. And here as the main function starts, we'll see is very small one where int we initialize to x equal to 0, x less than 5, and increment of x, and the array will be array of size x will be sorted, and the sorted elements are displayed further. Now first I am going to display the now I am going to display first with the um, merge sort, that is I'm going to enter the elements one by one, that will be 1 7 5 4 6 and 2, and you can get the sorted array. In the same way I'm gonna do it for the quick sort even. Now I'm going to build and run. Again I'm going to give the numbers one by one, which will be 3, 15, 20, 12, 35 and 20 and 22, which again gives me the sorted elements like this. Thank you.